In this video, we're going to calculate the current ratio. So first, we'll just write down what the current ratio is. So the formula is your current assets divided by your current liabilities. And this is a ratio that we use to measure the liquidity of a company. So we're trying to see if the company can pay its current debts with the current assets that they have. Okay, so I need to know what my current assets are. So if I was looking at a balance sheet, it would be very easy for me because I can just take the title that says total current assets. But in this case, it's not organized like that for me. So what I'll just do is I'll highlight my current assets. So I know that cash, accounts receivable, notes receivable because it says current, inventories, and prepaid expenses. So I know those are all current assets. So if I just add them up for 2021, those add up to 11402. And then for 2020, if you add those up, those come out to 9593. Now, in this problem, I only have one current liability, so it looks like they grouped them all together. So if not, you would just sort of go through the same process. Just highlight all of the current liabilities. So now we have enough information to do our problem. So I'll just do 2021 over here. So my current assets are 11402, so it's just that number there. And if I divide that by my current liabilities of 11061, that gives me 1.03. And if I do 2020, I'll do the same thing. Take 9593 and divide that by your current liabilities of 10649, and that gives me 0.90. So in order to interpret this, what we're looking is to at least have 1-to-1. So for all of your current assets, you have, or for all of your current liabilities, you at least have the same amount of current assets. So in this case, 2021, we had that ratio. But in 2020, we didn't. So what that tells me, if they had to liquidate right away, that they actually don't have enough current assets to pay off their current debt. So that's a problem. And I know when companies go to banks and look for a loan, usually a bank will assess it at 2-to-1. So they're more likely to give you a loan if they can see you have twice as many current assets to your current liabilities.